Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we're going to be showing you how to use this DeWalt brushless XR router. This is model DCW600. So we have just a scrap 2x4 setup on the workbench. And I actually received a comment on the video I have up just showing you the walkthrough of this. That video doesn't show you me actually using it. It just shows you all the features and it shows you how to use it. But someone had commented, they pretty much commented that I should show the bit change a little bit better. And I went back through and watched the video because I uploaded it about a year ago and I kind of forgot what I had all uploaded, and they were right. I should really show the bit change a little bit better. So I wanted to make a video anyway showing the demonstration, and I figured I would just show the bit change too. And then that way, you know, hopefully they watch it and they, you know, get what they need out of it. So to change the bit, what you're going to want to do, you can see how this ring slides this up or down. So to change a bit out, you're going to want to slide this ring all the way down to the motor. Then you can lock it in place. And what that's going to give you is just enough access to get the 17mm wrench that they give you. So if you lost this or you don't have it, this is just a 17mm wrench, but it gives you just enough access to get in here to loosen the bit. And you're going to press this button as you're doing it, and that's going to lock it. So you can see it's loose now. We could take the bit out and we just have a round over bit that we're going to be using for this demonstration. You can see I have this Ryobi 15-piece set that I bought. I'll put a link in the description on where you could buy a set like this. The link I'm going to provide is actually a better value than what I paid for this. It's more bits, and I think it's like $58 for the whole set. So I'll put a link in the description on where you could buy that. And I'll even throw a link on where you could buy this router. Okay, so we have our bit out, and now we'll show you again how to put it in. So we know our nut's already loose. So we're just going to insert, and then we're just going to press this button again. So again, just insert, press our button, and then we're just going to tighten this nut down. And you want this all the way down flat. Okay, then you really want this snug. You don't want this coming loose as you're working. Okay, so now our bit's tight. And just one more word of caution, whenever you're changing a bit, always make sure you pull the battery. You don't want to hit this power button on accident while you're changing a bit and have something happen. It'll be a quick trip to the hospital for you. So now we can put our battery back in. And now we'll show you the actual demonstration. So what I like to do is always use a scrap piece of paper, always use a scrap piece of wood before you're working on your finished product, just to test to make sure that you're getting the cut that you want and the depth. So I'm using this round over bit, and just for this quick example, I'm going to want to just round it over and ride it flush with the top of this 2x4. So to do that, I just had to reposition the camera real quick, but I want to show this to you so you could see. So we want to flip this up, and then we're going to want to raise this bit by turning this piece. And then we're going to want the blade on the bit just to sit on top of the 2x, so that when we make our cut, we're blending into the top of the 2x perfectly. And this is why you always try it out on a scrap piece of wood before you work on your finished product. Okay, so that right there should be good. So we could lock this, and then we'll raise the camera back up and I'll show you the cut. Okay, so we have the camera back in position. Now we're going to show you what this finished cut looks like. So when we start this up, we're going to make sure our bit is off of our finished surface. And then we're just going to slowly ease it in. And then we're just going to work our way along it. And we'll show you what it looks like. So we'll power it on. Okay, and you could see this is where we started. It rounded over and blended in nicely to our 2x. So if you're happy with that cut, then you know, okay, I'm using the right bit, I have it at the right depth, and I can move on to my finished product. But again, always make sure you're triple checking and make sure you're, I can't stress this enough, make sure you're taking this battery off before you're changing your bit. It'll save you from getting cut or, accidentally pressing that button and turning it on, giving yourself a scare or whatever. So yeah, guys, hopefully that video helped. Hopefully it really went through the bit change for you so you could kind of do it a little bit easier. Like I said, just make sure, you flip that up and then rotate this all the way down. And that'll give you access to that nut. And then you just want to press this button to lock it when you're loosening or tightening it. So yeah, guys, let me know if you have any questions. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Otherwise, if you found this video helpful, be sure to like it, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and check out all my other tool and DIY videos. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Oh, and be sure to check the links in the description. I'll put a link for the 28-piece Ryobi set, and then I'll also throw a link in on where you could buy this handheld router. So I'll just show you this bit set real quick, and I highly recommend you get a bit set and not just buy individual bits. You can see them all 15-piece, and then if you take a look at the back, it describes all the bits, and then it shows a little picture of the cuts that you're going to make. So that'll kind of help you if you're unfamiliar with using a router. This will kind of give you a good guideline on what you're looking to do and which bit you're going to be using. So I highly recommend you, if you're looking for a bit set, check that link. I found a great deal on, it's even more than this, and it's even less money than I paid for this. So be sure to check that link, and yeah, let me know what you think of these. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.